Okay, tell me, what were we doing in the last class? What we have to start? Diary writing? Diary writing, I guess I have explained to you, beta.
Ma'am, you told
Yes,
that we will start today text.
Textbook we have to start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Which chapter you want me to take?
Ma'am, the little girl.
Chapter number
girl.
The little girl.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, it's
No,
not
ma'am,
in
it's for
the
the
exam,
story
but
time.
ma'am, our ma'am started that. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ नहीं
Ma'am,
मुझे
it's for
नहीं
the storyteller.
हुआ ये?
SR
Ma'am,
chapter.
One at a time, beta.
the
Otherwise, I
little girl.
will... Okay.
एंड मैम एक्चुअली एग्जाम में नहीं है पर मैम ने स्टार्ट करवा दिया है मैम खत्म भी हो गया
एग्जाम में है वो सब हमने फिनिश कर दिया है.
हाँ मैम
Yes, ma'am.
सब हो गया. Poetry and
हाँ मैम सब
the stories, everything is done according to your syllabus.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any topic which is remaining according to the syllabus?
हाँ मैम
मैम लिटिल गर्ल है एग्जाम में.
Little girl है एग्जाम में.
मैम आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन. मैं पूछ
Yes,
सकता हूँ?
ask.
मैम ये द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड से हमको एक क्वेश्चन आया है. पेरेंट्स इन द स्टोरी द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड रिफ्लेक्ट द इमेज ऑफ एन मिडिल क्लास पेरेंट. राइट अ पैराग्राफ डिस्क्राइबिंग द क्वालिटीज ऑफ पेरेंट्स इन द स्टोरी द लॉस्ट चाइल्ड. मैम इसका
I have
आंसर
given you the answers, na? I have given you many answers, and that the question it will cover the question.
ओके मैम.
Okay, it will cover the question. Plus, if you talk about it, then your personal assumption of assessment related to that you have to write. Like middle class family people, they don't go for everything whatever the child asks, right? They spend money wherever it is highly needed, right? Which is according to the need, not according to the desire. Understood? There is a slight difference between need and desire. What do we need actually in life doesn't mean that whatever we desire in actual life doesn't mean everything we need, right? Understood? So according to that, you have to answer it, right?
ओके मैम.
Still, if you feel like I should give you the exact answer, then you drop this question to me. I'll send it to you. Okay. 1 second.
मैम आर्टिकल राइटिंग भी आने वाला है एग्जाम में.
Now nobody will speak anything which is not relevant. Okay. I'm not presenting the screen. Everybody is having the textbook, so go through that. Okay. Now. This I have done.
Ma'am, you have started only.
Yes, ma'am.
स्टार्ट किया था कुछ.
Introduction I have done.
Yes, ma'am. Introduction is done, ma'am.
Introduction is done. I have to explain it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I guess we were on page number 34.
No issues. I'll start from starting. itself.
33, ma'am.
No
33 from third paragraph.
33? कितना हो
Yes,
गया है ये
ma'am.
तो बीच के अंदर हमने ग्रामर स्टार्ट कर दिया.
Yes, ma'am.
Just read out the line na beta. Okay, I got it. When she was there to pull out his father's shoes, right?
यस मैम.
Right. Okay, fine. Well, Kezia, hurry up and pull off these boots and take them outside. Have you been a good girl today? Now, who is asking this?
Kezia's father.
Kezia's father. Okay. Kezia was reluctant in her work. That means she was not responding. She was simply doing whatever she was doing it. Okay. She was slow in her motion. And so her father would tell her to hurry up and remove his boots and keep them out of the room. And then he would ask her if she had been a good girl that day. This is what is happening in these lines. I don't know, father. She was hesitating. She was stammering. When do we stammer?
That because she was scared.
When we have
Yes.
fear.
When we have when we are scared or we are not confident. Okay, that time we
When we are
stammer.
lying.
Yet when we are lying, yes, then also we stammer. Actually, I opted for today's class because I often felt that कि जब भी मैं बच्चों को पढ़ाती हूँ या बच्चों से इंटरेक्शन करती हूँ तो मेरा सर दर्द, मेरा जुकाम, मेरी खांसी सब चला जाता है. I feel so good when I interact with the students. That's why I opted, but rather to sleep, I should go ahead with the class. So I'm feeling so good today. Now, much better. And Kezia replied that she did not know. So, why she was stammering? Because she was not confident. A person is not confident when he is feeling fear. This is what we have observed. You don't know. Now he started enacting in her way.
Imitating.
He is doing the mimic of her. If you stutter like that, mother will have to take you to the doctor. Stutter means, what is the meaning of stutter?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
अटक
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 के
के
बोलना.
बोलना.
One at a time, beta. Stutter means
Ma'am, अटक के बोलना.
stammer, to stammer. Okay, to speak with pauses or to stammer. So here, Kezia's father is copying her. And he also stammers like she did. And he says that if you will stammer like this, beta, your mother has to take you to the doctor for checkup. She never stuttered with other people, had quite given it up, but only with father, because then she was trying so hard to say words properly. She don't want that she should be scolded actually. Okay. Given it up means, what is the meaning of given it up?
Give up.
Stop doing it.
Yes, stop doing it. Trying so hard, making a lot of effort to do something, that means trying so hard. So here the writer tells that Kezia has never stammered, but did she do this when only when she is interacting with her father. What's the matter? What are you looking so wretched about? Mother, I wish you taught this child not to appear on brink of suicide. Here, Kezia carry my teacup back to the table carefully. Now, wretched means
Unhappy.
unhappy. Okay. On the brink of suicide means
About to
About
commit.
to commit suicide.
about to commit suicide. And what is suicide actually? What is the meaning of suicide?
And to give up.
To
And
kill him oneself, right?
And to give life.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have a girl. Her name is
Kezia.
Yes, yeah.
Kezia. And
Zia.
she is a good girl. Yes. Right? But scared or feared with her
Father.
Father.
with her father. Okay, with her father. That's why she often stammer also. She often stammer
Stammer.
as well in front of him.
Her father.
In front of her father. Okay. Now. Okay. He's so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth, when he yawned. What is yawning? What is yawning?
And when we
Yes.
wake up, we are having opening our mouth and take out the name.
When we are feeling sleepy, we yawn, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this. That is yawning. Okay. Okay. Thinking about him alone was like thinking about a giant for her, right? So here creating a vision. Okay, she's creating a vision about her father. She feels that her father is so big, just like a giant. Okay, what is a giant?
Monster.
राक्षस जैसा ना, भीम का शरीर वाला, such kind of. Okay, I'm feeling like I have skipped something. Okay, on Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have nice talk with father and mother. Okay, but the little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on the sofa, his handkerchief on his face. This scene is very common in every house. Yes, the mother is not reading. She is either cutting the vegetables
Or
the
watching
food,
TV.
or watching TV. But fathers, you will find lying on sofa with the handkerchief on face. Have you ever seen that?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh
Many
my.
times.
Yes,
Many
ma'am.
times. So we are able to relate it, right? A handkerchief on his face. His feet, one of the best cushions, on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. What is snoring?
Karate.
Karate
Karate
playing.
Lena.
Yes, people produce sound when they are sleeping. Very deep sleep, when they are in deep sleep. Okay, she sat on a stool, gravely watched him until he woke and stretched and asked the time, then looked at her. Gravely means
Concentrating.
seriously. Seriously, when you're serious, when you give serious looks. Okay, don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. Now her father is comparing her with a little owl. One day she was kept indoor with a cold. Her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week and suggested she should make him a pin cushion for a gift out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. Now Kezia is not well, so her grandmother is taking care of her, and she had to stay at home. She's saying that her grandmother is saying that next week your father's birthday is there, and I want you to prepare a nice cushion for him. What is a pinned cushion?
मैम बीच में बटन लगाया हुआ है.
Yes, yes. And she has also given yellow colored silk cloth to her. Laboriously, with a double cotton, the little girl stitched 3 sides. Laboriously,
With
with
a
lot
lot
of effort and difficulty, right? She is doing that. But what to fill it with? That was the question. Now she has stitched the thing from 3 sides very nicely. Now what to fill in it is a big task. Okay. The grandmother was out in the garden and she wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. Obviously, in the cushions, what do we fill?
मैम scrap.
Ma'am, cotton.
Cuttings of the
Buttons of
cloths,
top.
right? Old clothes cutting we put, or the fiber film. But the girl is looking for the scrap. Scrap in the sense, the cut pieces of the paper, this cloth.
cloth or paper.
Cloth or paper. Okay, on the bed table, she discovered a great many sheets of
Fine paper.
fine paper, gathered them, tore them into tiny pieces and stuffed her case, then sewed up the 4th side. That night, there was a hue and cry in the house. Father's great speech for the Port Authority had been lost. Where it must be.
वो उसने फाड़े थे ना मैम वो
Cushion
वही थे.
Cushion.
Okay, hue and cry, everybody was angry to protest. Okay, so now there is a lot of shouting in the entire house because whatever speech Kezia's father has prepared is now lost. Okay, and mothers never shouts when things are lost. She keeps on searching for it until it is discovered or found, and if she is not finding, then at last she calls you and asks you. But fathers, when they don't find anything from that very simple corner, if it is lying in front of their eyes and if they are not able to find, still they start screaming, right? Where is my handkerchief? Where is my wallet? Where is the key? Where are the specs? Everything they needed in the hand. And there now in the story, it is actually lost. Rooms were searched, servants questioned. Finally, mother came into Kezia's room. Now the family searched everywhere, but nobody found anywhere. Now mother has come to Kezia's room. Kezia, I suppose you didn't see some papers on a table in our room? Now, oh yes, she said. I tore them up for my surprise. Very innocently, she replied to her mother. What? Screamed mother. Come straight down in the dining room this instant. Abhi ki abhi niche dining room mein aao tum. And she was dragged down to where father was pacing to and fro, hands behind his back. To and fro, he was having his hands at the back and he was moving constantly in the room. He don't want to search, but he was roaming in the room constantly to pretend that he is very much worried and he is searching. Okay. Well, he said sharply. Mother explained. He stopped and stared at the girl. Did you do that? No, she whispered. Okay. The damn thing you should. Okay, sorry.
Mother got up.
Mother go up to her room and fetch down the damn thing. See that the child's put to bed this instant. Now she showed it to him. Now why Kezia's father referring to the cushion that she has prepared as a damn thing? Why did he say that the damn thing? Because he was not aware why did she made it and for whom she had made it. And he is very angry also. Okay. Because why was he angry? Because she has torn his pages, his papers, and she put it as a filling. Okay. Okay. Then he ordered his mother to bring the cushion. Crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room, watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. Now here shadowed room means?
मैम इवनिंग लाइट्स की वजह से जो शैडो फॉर्म होते हैं लंबे लंबे.
Dark room.
Yes, dark room where the light, outside light are making shadows. Okay. Okay. A sad little pattern refers to the sad atmosphere in the room. Kezia wanted to justify her action as she was innocent, but she did not mean to harm her father. She was just preparing a surprise birthday gift for him. Kezia was
Yes,
very
ma'am,
sad.
where are you reading?
I'm explaining.
Oh yes.
I'm not reading. The lines which is given over here, na, crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room. So I'm just explaining to you that what has happened. She just wanted to describe why she has done that action. Okay. And she's innocent. She don't want to harm her father. But as she was preparing the surprise for her father. What did you say, beta? But she was very sad because nobody was ready to listen to her. Bache, your mic is on. Okay. She wanted to see the happy face of her father when she will hand over the surprise gift for.
Daria, mute your mic.
Whose mic is on?
Ma'am, Daria Sangani.
Is it off now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. I put him on mute. Okay. So she wanted to show that surprise gift to her father. She wanted to see that smiling face. कि क्या पता पापा को खुशी हो and he will smile. But she landed up with a disaster. Okay, then father came into the room with a ruler in his hands. Now he is about to punish Kezia for the wrong act she has done. I'm going to beat you for this. Oh, no, she screamed, hiding under the bedclothes. Now, bedclothes means bed sheet. Okay. Now, when he entered, he said that I'm going to beat you. And as he entered with the ruler, he pulled them aside. Set up, he ordered, and hold out your hands. You must be taught once for all, not to touch what does not belong to you. Now he is in a very angry mood. Okay, and he wanted to be very strict with Kezia. So he says that you come out of this bedclothes and show me your hands. You should be taught once for all means last time. I'm going to teach you a lesson. Okay, so he's ready to punish her. But it was for your birthday. She is again stammering. Okay, she tried to explain her position. Now the scale is coming. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. Kezia's father hit the palms with the scale. Hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in the rocking chair, the child clung to her soft body. She was attached to attach yourself to something. Clung means to attach yourself to something. She is covered with that shawl and she is sitting in, she was so afraid of it. Okay. What did God make fathers for? She sobbed. Okay. Here's a clean hanky, darling. Blow your nose, go to sleep, pet. You'll forget all about it in the morning. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. Now, grandmother is explaining to her that it's okay. It happens sometimes when you do something wrong. Okay. And right now I tried to explain to your father, but he is not in that mood to understand. So let it be. You will also forget about all this in the morning. But the child never forgot. Actually, it happens. You know one thing, like we elder people forget many things. And especially when it comes to hurt to your emotions. Somebody says something, even when as a child, if you talk about your mothers, you say many things when you are in angry mood, but they forget and forgive you. But what happens? Did you forget when something they say to you? No.
Never.
I don't think so. You don't forget. You pin on the things whenever the things come and you list बड़ी होती जाती है. जितनी बार जब बात बढ़ती है या कभी गुस्सा आता है तो हम सारी लिस्ट ऐड कर रहे थे, है ना? मम्मी करती है, तुमने उस दिन ऐसे किया था, उस दिन फिर तुमने ये किया था, फिर उस दिन ये किया था, लेकिन हमारी लिस्ट में वो सब इंक्लूडेड होता है. मम्मी आपको पता आपने एक बार ऐसे किया था, उसको भी छोड़ो, एक दिन तो आपने हद ही कर दी थी, फिर ये भी किया था, है ना? So the child never forgot. Next time she saw him, she quickly put both hands behind her back and red color flew into her. She is totally scared. Okay. Right. Okay. The McDonald's lived next door. They had 5 children. Looking through a gap in the fence. Am I reading on the correct line? Did I skip anything?
No, ma'am, you are
No,
right.
ma'am.
Okay. Looking through a gap in the fence, the little girl saw them playing tag in the evening. The father with the baby, Mao, on his shoulders, little 2 girls hanging on his coat pockets, ran round and round the flower beds, shaking with laughter. Once she saw the boys turn the hose on him and he tried to catch them, laughing all the time. Now, this is explained over here. Like he's telling, the writer tries to tell that what difference she found in the other family other than her family, right? She has a neighbor. Their name is McDonald's. In foreign countries,
McDonald's.
it is a trend, like they do not call the people in this way, like Sonu ki mummy, Tappu ke papa, है ना? They have that, they call them with the surnames like Sharmas, Malhotras. So now she's having McDonald's family. Okay. Her neighbors are family named McDonald's. In all, the McDonald had 5 children, and Kezia would peep them. Looking into the gap means she is peeping inside. She is looking from the small gap between the fence that the children are playing. She could see the family very happy and doing fun. They played a game called tag. Okay, tag is a children game for catching one another. हम क्या बोलते हैं tag को?
पकड़म पकड़ी.
पकड़म पकड़ाई.
पकड़म पकड़ाई. Yes.
पकड़ा.
Yes, pakadam pakadai. So the same game they are playing, and it is called tag. So all the children with their father, they are playing and they are having fun. Okay. Little baby Mao is sitting on the shoulders of her father, and the little 2 daughters, they are hanging on the pocket of the coats. Okay. So all the children are much attached to the father. They loved him so much that they would stick to him. Okay, and they would run around the garden, around the flower beds. They laugh, they play, and she also wanted to have that kind of fun with her father, and she misses it. Okay, one day she saw that the little sons of Mrs. McDonald opened the hose on him. Hose on him? What is a hose? What is the meaning of horse? What is the meaning of horse?
Ma'am, don't know.
Have you seen the garden pipe used for irrigation in the small gardens?
Yes, ma'am.
राइट पाइप देखा है वो मूवीज में कई बार जो ओपन हो जाता है अचानक से ऑन हो जाता है पानी आता है बहुत सारा
Yes, ma'am.
now you remember that is hose. So one day one child has opened the hose on his father's face, and they all were having fun in it. Okay, he didn't get angry. He didn't get angry on his children. He tried to catch them and he was laughing. This was very strange for Kezia because he has never seen her father in this way. And he was totally, Mr. McDonald was totally opposite to her father. Okay, then she decided there were different sorts of father. Earlier she was thinking that fathers are just like as she has. Understood? Straight, always angry. But now when she saw Mr. McDonald, she realized that no, it is not like that. Just 1 minute. I forgot to put myself on spotlight. Now I realize that you are not able to see me properly. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. Right? So earlier she was thinking like fathers are like only like the father she is having. But when she saw Mr. McDonald, she realized that no, fathers are like are of different sort, and one of them is like Mr. McDonald. Okay. Suddenly one day mother became ill, and she and grandmother went to hospital. The little girl was left alone in the house with Alice, the cook. That was all right in the daytime, but while Alice was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid. Why was she afraid? Why was she afraid? Because earlier mother was there, but now she was thinking that she's all alone. And what if she will be having the nightmare? Okay. Nightmare means the bad dreams. I often have nightmares, and then Granny takes me into her bed I can't stay in the dark. It all gets whispery. Whispery जब आप अकेले होते हो रूम में, अगर घर में कोई नहीं है, अगर if it is a small house, then also can you live alone in the house? A day you can spend, but when it comes to
रात को डर लगता है.
night, even the clock noise, it seems like someone is walking.
Walking.
मैम
Right?
ये घोस्ट जैसा लगता
हाँ, वो पानी अगर ड्रॉप्स गिर रहे हैं ना पानी के, तो भी ऐसा लगेगा पता नहीं किसी ने नल खोल दिया. So everything seemed very scary when you are all alone. If you are already scared, it never happens if you are confident enough, but if you are scared, it happens.
और मैम दूर की चीजें भी सुनाई देने लगती है.
You just go to
है.
sleep.
ऐसी ऐसी बातें जो आती भी नहीं है मैम, हमें कभी कभी वहम भी होता है कि आवाज आ रही है.
Yes, it happens. It happens. Even अगर कहीं दूर से भी कोई आवाज आ रही है, तो नाइट के टाइम पे अगर आप डरे हुए, तो आपको वो नॉइस भी क्लियर सुनाई देगी.
यस मैम, पायल के
अगर हमें कोई बोले क्या तुम्हें ये सुनाई दे रहा है, तो नहीं सुनाई देगा. लेकिन नाइट में जब आप अकेले होते हो और आप कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर, बिकॉज दैट टाइम योर ब्रेन इज कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग ऑन द थिंग्स which is around you. So that time you are able to
Our
listen.
subconscious mind is affected.
Yes, it awakes. Subconscious mind also
And
awakes.
ma'am, in
at-
winter night, it is very sound clear.
because the fans and everything is quiet, na? That's why.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You just go to sleep, child, said Alice, pulling off her socks. And do not scream and wake your poor pa. But the same old nightmare came. अब कोई अगर ये कह दे कि ऐसा नहीं होगा या ऐसा मत करना, तो उस टाइम तो वो करना जरूरी है, नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
होता है ऐसा?
Yes.
कुछ हो तो चिल्लाना मत.
Yes.
और अगर आप कहीं आप रूम में अंधेरे में चल रहे हो और अगर आपके पैर के ऊपर से कुछ चला गया या गलती से आपका खुद का पैर ही खुद को छू गया, तो भी आप जोर से चिल्ला देते हो, unknowingly, right? But the same old nightmare came, the butcher with a knife and a rope, who came nearer and nearer, smiling that dreadful smile, while she could not move, could only stand still, crying out, "Grandma, Grandma." She woke shivering to see father beside her bed, a candle in his hand. Now that butcher has come into life for her, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
She was sleeping, and in the dream again she saw the same dream that a butcher is there, smiling with different eyes. अभी मेरे facial expression change हो जाएंगे. Smiling in a very dreadful manner and holding the knife in the hand. Oh, I'm going to kill you. And suddenly she wakes up with a scream, "Grandma, Grandma," and she found her father standing beside her bed with a candle. अभी वो candle में आधा तो shadow और फिर face थोड़ा dark. Okay. What's the matter? He said. "Oh, a butcher, a knife. I want Granny." He blew out the candle, bent down, caught up the child in his arms, carrying her along the passage to the big bedroom. Okay, now he realized that she got scared. So instead of scolding her, what did he do? He blew off the candle. He took the child and took her to his own room. A newspaper was on the bed. He put away the paper, then carefully tucked up the child. Tucked up? What is the meaning of tucked up?
Covered up nicely.
Covered up. Very good. Covered up. He lay down beside her. Half asleep still, with the butcher's smile all about her, it seemed. She crept close to him, snuggled her head under his arm, held tightly to his shirt. Now, snuggled means she moved into a warm, comfortable position. What happens when you are scared and your mom comes to you? You hug her,
Yes.
right? Especially the small children. What do? They hug them
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
and they tightly hold them and they sleep. Near the arm area. Fathers के पास में mostly बच्चे कैसे सोते हैं, ऐसे यहाँ पे घुस के सो जाते हैं ना. In the same way, she also holded his shirt tightly and she tried to sleep. Then the dark did not matter. She lay still. Here, rub your feet against my legs and get them warm. Now, what did father say? Now it is cold. So what you can do, you can rub your feet on my leg and it will get warm. Tired out, he slept before the little girl. He was very tired. Obviously, he was running between the work, hospital and home. So he was tired. So he slept before the little girl. A funny feeling came over the little girl. Poor father, not so big after all. And with no one to look after him, he was harder than grandmother. But it was a nice hardness. Now here she was saying that when she hugs her grandmother, she is soft to touch, whereas father is a little hard, but not so hard as she was thinking. Okay, and he was no more the giant. And every day he had to work and was too tired to be Mr. McDonald. She had torn up all his beautiful writing. She stirred suddenly and sighed. Now what is happening? Now Kezia realizes her mistake. Okay, and she had affection towards her father after that day. She felt that her father is a poor man because he worked so hard. He was not so big as she was thinking. Okay, now she felt that her father is a poor man, now worked very hard. So he got tired, that went off to sleep and did not play with her because he's working so hard. That's why he get tired and he didn't get time to spend with her and to play with her. But Kezia felt that father's heart was also full of love for her. She realizes that she was torn up his important document. Now she's realizing that why did he scolded her? Why did he beat her? Because she has torn his important document, the speech that he has written. And all this realization made her to take a deep breath. She realizes that she had been wrong. That's why the father had beaten her and he was strict to her. What's the matter? Asked her father. Another dream? Although Kezia's father was asleep, but he woke up in the middle to check the girl is okay or not. That time he asked, why are you awake? Did you have another dream? Oh, said the little girl, my head's on your heart. I can hear it going. What a big heart you've got, father dear. Now she has started, and this time she was not stammering. Did you realize that? Yes. She was not stammering. She said everything in one go. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So she replied to her father that I was able, when I was sleeping, keeping my head on your hand, I was able to hear your heart. It was beating. She could hear his heartbeat, and she complimented her father that he had a big heart. Now here big heart doesn't mean the giant heart. Here the big heart means he has space for everyone and he is kind-hearted. So Kezia is showing her love for her father, and she had realized that her father also loved her. So sometimes situations makes you realize instead of someone else ask you to realize that thing again and again. Understood this thing?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Go through the questions which are given in your chapter, and if you have any doubt, let me know. Please quickly check your questions. If you need any of the answers, let me know. Okay, I'll just stop the recording because it's almost done.